Sunday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. I'm really trying to figure out how I can put an extension on this and get them a bigger run. I'm almost thinking I'm going to build something back over here, level that out, double the size of this, and then make a Skybridge, a second Skybridge going over to it. I think that would be pretty cool. Scoop the poop and get some eggs. They're in here. They're in here. All right, let me scoop the poop real quick. So we've been doing goat sweet feed now. Gave it to him yesterday, gave it to him today. We were doing 7 to 10 eggs. That's 2, 3, that's 4. Wow, that's a big one right there. There's 5, there's 6, 7, 8. Excuse me. 9, 10, 11. We got 11. We went over one more over, so within 24 hours. I'll take that. Bug. Sometimes I don't understand him. Come on. Broke monkey. Broke monkey. Eat your treats before she does. What? Damn, Cotton, you are dropping feathers. Happy chickens. Let's get some eggs. Yep, need to do some pressure washing in here. I don't know how that happened, but I have a guess. We've not been giving them the goat sweet feed. They're retirement. I don't need them to force lay eggs, but I might give them a little treat tomorrow. A little breakfast treat. This is what I'm happy with right here. This thing's growing nice. I'm gonna have to pick some of this fruit tonight. All these cherries are ready. Cherries. Tomatoes. God, look how good this is growing. Crazy. Not a lot of fruit production, but it's happening. Got to make sure I close this. So I found Lady Hazel and Griffin sleeping underneath the tomato plants. Well, that's another Sunday gone by. You guys have a safe week ahead. Have an amazing night.